Hello and welcome to this new session. In this session, we will understand what is simplification list and how to read through the simplification list. Simplification list is a document which is provided by SAP for all different versions. So when SAP came up with SAP S/4HANA 1511, there was a simplification list available for S/4HANA 1511. Then they came up with 1610. They released the SAP S/4HANA simplification list for 1610. And now when they introduce 1709, the new simplification list is available for 1709. This is a public document, which means it is available to all. You can go through this link. You can download this document. This document will tell you what are the changes in SAP S/4HANA compared to ECC system, which means whatever changes coming from the standard business processes, they are all highlighted in this document. So the changes related to technical business functions, changes related to the functionalities and features which were available in the standard business processes, as well as changes in the master data and transactional data, everything is highlighted in this list. The objective of this list is to understand what will be the impact if customer is planning to migrate from SAP ECC to SAP S/4HANA. So this simplification list is recommended for consultants who are implementing SAP S/4HANA. This is also recommended for the companies who are using SAP and they are planning to migrate to SAP S/4HANA, so that they should go through it and verify what all different business processes will be impacted if customer goes from ECC to SAP S4. So let me just take you to this link. I'm just clicking on this link and it will take me to this PDF document. Okay, this PDF document is divided into different things. So you can see cross topic, you can see introduction. So maybe I'll just skip this and I will take you directly to the changes, like what has been changed from the master data point of view. So this is not restricted to any particular area. This is available for each and everything, technical, functional, everything is available here. So as a consultant, you may not be interested in reading through the entire document. You can directly go and find out what are the changes in your own area. So if you are a financial functional consultant, you can directly go in financial area. For example, you can see here what has been changed from financial accounting point of view, what has been changed from asset accounting, accounts payables, cash management, controlling. Similarly, if you are a procurement consultant and you are just interested in what has been changed from the procurement point of view, you can see there is a separate procurement section where SAP has specified what are the things which are changed. Similarly, for sales, production planning, everything, even the industry specific solutions also you'll find here. So let's try to concentrate here on master data. Just for the example sake, we will see how SAP has explained the changes compared to ECC. So if I go for, let's say, master data of customer and vendor, business partner approach. Now, this is a particular functionality which is applicable to most of the consultants. Even if you are coming from financial background or you are coming from sales or procurement background, you all need to create the customers and vendors in SAP system. So the change in SAP system is the way in which we were creating the customers and vendors. It is not the same. You cannot execute the transactions like XK01 or XD01, which we were using. Those transactions are obsolete. If you enter those transactions, system will throw error. So we are going to discuss that in detail. We have the separate section in which we are going to discuss about the master data. But just try to understand for that particular feature change what is available in the simplification list. For each and every change, SAP has provided some SAP notes. So even if you open this SAP note, it will give you the detailed discussion about what has been changed compared to ECC. Symptom, you are doing the system conversion. So as I told you, this documentation is available for the customers who are planning to migrate their existing SAP ECC system to SAP S/4HANA. Solution and business value. So here they are trying to explain what has been changed. Okay, so this is just a basic introduction, but let us go here and try to find out what are the changes. So they are saying, SAP is saying there are redundant object models in traditional ERP system, which means you need to go to different transaction to create a vendor master. You need to go to different transaction to create the customer master. But in SAP S/4HANA, these transactions are not available, and the target approach, mandatory approach, is to go for business partner, which means even if you want to create a customer, you have to go to transaction BP to create a customer. Okay, what will be the impact? What will be the transactions which will be affected? All those things are highlighted here. So you can see transactions which are not available in SAP S/4HANA on-premise edition. Okay, so what is the impact? What is the solution? Which SAP node to go through? What are the required or recommended actions? Everything is mentioned in this document. Only thing is, you will not find the configuration details. Let's say, for example, if you go through this document and if you are expecting that all the configuration related changes or the transaction related changes are all specified with providing the example, that is not given. There is just a summary given that this functionality has been changed. Okay, so if you are completely new, if you just want to make a list of all the changes which are compared to SAP ECC system, then this document is good. But if you are working on the project, just by looking at this document, you'll not be able to complete the project, because you also need to understand if this functionality is changed, how I am going to configure the new features into SAP S/4. So that is exactly what we will discuss in detail, but this is just a summarized document. At the initial phase, when customer is completely new, he is not knowing about SAP S/4HANA, this will definitely help him in understanding what will be the changes in SAP S/4. And even if you are a consultant, if you are not aware of the functionalities, what has been changed in SAP S/4, it is recommended that go through this document. Even whenever we are discussing any topic in the future sessions, I will recommend that once I complete the particular topic, go through the simplification list and verify that whether whatever we discussed is mentioned in this document or not. Thank you. So this is about the simplification list. In the next video, we will talk about SAP Activate methodology. If you have any questions, you already have my email ID. Just write me the mail and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you.